Introducing the Bosch Series II front-load washing machine. Engineered for efficiency and convenience, this machine offers an array of smart features to simplify your laundry routine. With Active Water Plus, it ensures highly efficient water usage, adapting to the size of your load for optimal performance. If you forget an item, the reload function allows you to pause and add last-minute laundry effortlessly. For those with busy schedules, SpeedPerfect reduces washing time significantly while still delivering spotless results. The anti-vibration side panels enhance the machine's stability, reducing noise disturbance even during the spin cycle. Powered by the EcoSilence drive, it operates with a brushless, energy-efficient motor for quieter and more sustainable washing. Unbalanced load detection and the foam detection system work in tandem to adjust spin patterns and remove excess foam, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Customize your laundry schedule with the time delay and countdown feature, allowing you to decide when the wash ends and keeping you informed with a clear time display. The end of cycle indicator provides an audible signal when your wash is complete. With a generous drum volume, it accommodates larger loads, enhancing washing efficiency. The Bosch Series II offers a range of standard wash programs, including cottons, Cotton Eco, Easy Care, Delicate Silk, and Wool. Additional auxiliary programs such as Hygiene Plus, Spin Drain, Mixed, Rinse, and quick options like Super 15-minute or 30-minute cycles provide versatile washing solutions for any laundry need. Experience the perfect blend of innovation and practicality with the Bosch Series II front-load washing machine.